climbing. What an awesome way to start the day. What a fantastic way to start my day. So, I have some work that I want to get done. I find that I'm more focused when I'm somewhere public, not super crowded public, but like, you know, somewhere that isn't my house where I have all these home distractions. My mom told me to be thrifty. This isn't thrifty, this is spending money. Sorry, Mama. Also, it's not my mom's money, it's my money, but she just wants me to save money, so... Sorry, Mama?
Oi! Mate, can't you see that I'm bathing here? You better stop that filming, I'm gonna come up and put a wet beak in your ear. Look at this, I'm getting my beak wet right now. Get my beak wet and you're gonna put it in your ear. I swear. Oi, Sam, you see that weirdo over there filming you? Yeah, I see him, I'm getting my old beak all wet so I can go put it in his ear. What, mate? What? Jesus, just ask him nicely. I bet they all stop if you ask him nicely. No, man, he's not that kind of guy. Gotta act big and scare him off. He's not a bear. Bear, boy, same thing. Well, obviously it's not working. He's still here. Come off it, man. Either get out of here or get in it. Not kidding you. Sam, remember what your doctor said about your heart? Yeah. Right, this is just unnecessary stress. You don't need to be doing this. Damn it, Phil. Right. Just ignore him and he'll go away, I promise. No, I swear to God, I'm just gonna turn my back and just... Come on, man, just get out of here. You're gonna stress everybody out.
That was weird.